In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design clothing in Canva. If you want to create streetwear graphics, custom merchandise, or personalized apparel, Canva can be a great tool, but only if you set things up correctly. A lot of clothing designs end up looking blurry, off-center, or poorly scaled, simply because the file wasn't prepared for print. The good news is that you do not need advanced design software to make something clean and professional. Canva gives you the tools to build a sharp, print-ready design with a simple workflow. To begin, go to the Canva homepage and click Create a Design in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Custom Size. Before entering your dimensions, switch the unit from pixels to inches. Then set the width to 12 and the height to 16 and create the new design. This gives you a large, high-resolution canvas that works well for standard t-shirt print areas and helps preserve detail when your artwork is printed onto fabric. Once your blank canvas opens, the next thing you want to do is turn on your alignment tools. This step is important because clothing graphics can look awkward if they sit too close to collars, seams, or the bottom hem. Go to File, then View Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides as well as Show Margins. You'll now see a dashed boundary around the canvas, which acts as a safe zone and helps you keep your layout centered and balanced. Now it's time to add your artwork. Head over to the Elements tab on the left side and use the search bar to find graphics that fit your style. Try searching for terms related to minimalist, retro, vintage, or typography-based designs. Then switch to the graphics results so you're working with cleaner visual elements. Choose a graphic you like and drag it into the middle of your canvas. Vector style graphics are usually the best choice here because they stay sharp and scale more cleanly than low quality images. Next, open the text tab and click Add a text box. Enter your slogan, brand line, or collection title. Keep it short and visually strong so it reads well on fabric. From the toolbar at the top, choose a bold, easy-to-read font and adjust the size, spacing, and color so it stands out clearly against the garment color you have in mind. Make sure your text stays centered and comfortably inside the margin guides. Before exporting, take a final look over the full design and check that everything is aligned, readable, and safely within the boundaries. When you're ready, click Share, then Download. Change the file type to PNG, and most importantly, enable transparent background. This removes the canvas background so your design is ready for printing without an unwanted box behind it. Then click Download to save your final print-ready file. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.